Just fired up the Guestroom heat pump. It was set to 68 and I bumped it up to 70 to get it to come on since I've filmed it running in about a month as far as I'm aware. It is currently running in heat mode. Right now it is about 11 p.m. on Thursday, November 19th, 2020. It's about 40 degrees right now and it's keeping the Guestroom nice and warm. Suction line is hot. Unfortunately, I'm not able to stay up and wait for it to defrost because I got school in the morning, but figured I'd shoot a quick video of it running. I got a pretty good steam show out of it 2 weeks ago anyway, but more defrost of it to come in the near future. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video and I'll see you on the next one.